In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Canva to enhance your creative projects. If you're looking to create stunning visuals, Canva is a fantastic tool that offers both ease of use and powerful features. Let's dive into the detailed steps. First, open a web browser and navigate to Canva's website. If you're new to Canva, creating an account is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. This will take you to your Canva dashboard, where all your creative projects are hosted. Once you're greeted by the colorful interface of Canva, look to the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main menu for accessing all sorts of features and uploads. Here you'll find a tab labeled Uploads. Click on it. This section lets you bring in images that you want to use in your project. Now, depending on your project needs, you can either upload a new photo from your device by using the Upload button, or select an existing image from your library of previously uploaded files. This flexibility allows you to quickly access the assets you might need for various design projects. Select the image you wish to work with and drag it onto your blank canvas in the main workspace. It's worth mentioning that dragging elements onto the canvas helps you position them exactly where you need them. On the top of the interface, a floating toolbar appears when you have an image selected. Here you'll see various editing options. One of the magical tools Canva offers is the BG Remover, or Background Remover. Click it to instantly cut out the background of the image, allowing you to focus on the subject. This is particularly useful for creating clean and professional visuals. With the background removed, you might need to adjust the size and position of your image on the canvas. Simply click and drag the corners of the image to resize it, and move it around to find the perfect placement for your design. Now let's add some effects to make your project stand out. Head back to the floating toolbar and click Edit. On the left side of your screen, scroll down to find the Effects section. Here you'll see a variety of effects that you can apply. For this project, let's enhance our image with shadows. Select Shadows, then choose Outline. Once you have applied the outline, you can adjust its size and intensity to suit your design needs. Experimenting with these settings allows for a personal touch, making your visual truly unique. Finally, complete your design by selecting a color for your outline that complements your theme. This final touch can dramatically enhance the overall look, providing contrast and cohesion to your design. And there you have it. An effortlessly enhanced image in Canva, ready to be added to any of your creative projects. Make sure to save your work and don't forget to explore Canva's vast library of templates and design elements to further complement your work. Happy designing!